Well, hey everyone, this is Shirish and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another one of the amazing US universities, Boston University or BU. Whether the students are aspiring actors, musicians, journalists or filmmakers or want to be doctors, dentists or hotel managers, BU seems to offer everything for all. As always, I will give you a detailed information about Boston University in this video, including academic, social and financial fit. And after that, the most important section on how to triple your chances of your admission to Boston using very special admission tips and strategies that I have discovered over the last 11 years working with my students. One of the nation's biggest private university, BU, has endless opportunities in academics, research, study abroad, and internship experiences. You definitely walk away from BU with a sense of accomplishment and individuality. Let's hit it up for Boston University. Hi, I'm Shirish Gupta, and I empower people to hack their success, rise above the challenges, and confidently create an extraordinary life they deserve. Boston University is a private research university in Boston, Massachusetts. It was established in 1839. Boston is named among one of America's largest universities with about 17 schools and colleges. Boston University has 3 campuses, the downtown Boston one being the most popular. Research is an important part of the university. It is one of the only 3 universities in Boston and Cambridge named to prestigious associations of American universities. With location 90% placement stats, Boston has a lot to offer. Boston is one of the major cities in the USA. It's historic, cultural, and downright beautiful. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. As the capital city of Massachusetts, it is home to a lot of people, making it 24th most populous city in the country. There's a lot of historic architecture to look for, including many museums, freedom trails, and parks. The city offers the best of both new and old to its inhabitants. Boston University's campus is about 175 acres. Decorated with tree-lined street, the main campus is made up of Victorian brownstones. The campus pretty much dissolved into the city that surrounds it. The architecture is similar to a lot of buildings around Boston. Facilities include a 35,000 square feet Hillel House, a multi-level fitness center, and a hockey arena that doubles as a concert hall. The most popular majors at BU include management, medical, engineering, natural sciences, clinical psychology, healthcare, economics, and law. Although I'm not a big fan of judging a university solely on the basis of the ranking, Boston University is still the top 20% universities in the world according to US News, QS News, and all other major ranking services. Alright, now let's dig down and move to the next section, talking about the right fit, starting with academic fit. Boston may look like a party school given its location within the metropolitan city and jam-packed events calendar, but trust me, it's nothing less than extremely competitive when it comes to academics. Boston can give you, in true terms, the all-rounded experience when it comes to your development. BU launched its first ever university-wide general education curriculum in 2018 known as BU Hub. It's a 4-year program that targets to create more opportunities for experiential, co-curricular, and interdisciplinary learning. As for the university, you won't find this combination of excellence and comprehensiveness anywhere but BU. It is similar to the core curriculum in most other colleges, as I have discussed in other videos such as Howard. Along with that, all students must satisfy 3 course requirements in diversity, civic engagement, and global citizenship, along with normal academic areas like communication, quantitative reasoning, philosophical, aesthetics, and historical interpretation, and social and scientific inquiry. BU has 10 undergraduate colleges that offer a wide area of majors. Business administration, communication, engineering, economics, and psychology are the most popular ones among the lot. For postgraduates, BU offers more than 400 graduate and professional programs in almost every academic area. That's amazing. Boston offers some top-class graduate programs in business management, healthcare, and engineering. One of the main advantages of studying at BU is the location. There are ample of job opportunities you can take up as internship as well during your second year or your 4 years of education. Furthermore, due to its proximity to Harvard and MIT, you can also take summer courses at these 2 top universities and broaden your knowledge and profile. The location is surely a great plus for BU. The School of Music offers a stellar program too. It benefits from its own concert hall and from faculty who has also belonged to the Boston Symphony Orchestra. No wonder they have 9 Academy Award winners and several Emmy and Tony Award winners in the alumni list. Arts and Science College have their pre-med and pre-law programs as top of the lines too. So it has amazing programs all throughout. There are a lot of opportunities available for students when it comes to study abroad options as well. They have about 100 such programs for several regular webinars, and seminars are also offered. Students can gain benefits from colleges that comes career center to gain internship and job placements as well. The Boston faculty is amazing. There are about 400 faculty members that include 8 Nobel laureates, 23 Pulitzer Prize, many with scholar laureates. Most of the professors are extremely qualified and, according to the students, bring real life experience to the classroom. Most of the classes here are average to medium size. The classes are medium, but the freshman classes can range anything about 100 as well. Around 61% of classes are less than 20 students. So keeping all this thing in mind, I would like to rate BU with 4 stars on academic difficulty and quality level. A 5 is the highest level. But after academic fit, let's move to social fit. Social life in Boston is very active and thriving. The social scene at BU has a lot to offer. They always have on-campus events every day of the week, including the weekends as well. There are about 7,000 plus clubs and organizations. Boston trains are an easy way to travel. Many students find it convenient since it only takes a few minutes to reach anywhere on campus. There are all-round events around the calendar year. The Splash Party in September, Homecoming in October, and Cultural Fest in March. On top of possible road trips include Cape Good, Cape Ann, and Providence, Rhode Island, which students can enjoy. BU has about 34,000 students, with about 16,000 as undergrad and remaining PGs and PhD. 75% are out of state, and about 25% student body is international, which is very, very diverse. The housing at BU is good too, excellent, and is guaranteed for 4 years for undergraduates. Freshman or sophomore dorms are fairly typical, but housing gets better as you get to a senior. The luxury apartments known as residences at 10 Brook Street house 814 students on 18th floor in an apartment with 4 single bedrooms each. Each bedroom is wired for phone and fast internet service, and each air-conditioned apartment also includes a kitchen, living and dining area, and 2 full bathrooms. BU provides apartment residences housing for postgraduate students as well through its real estate service. Living in an apartment residence owned and managed by Boston University Real Estate places you in the midst of BU campus community, part of the dynamic, academically driven environment of the whole world-class research and teaching university. Meal plans are flexible, and one of the 6 dining halls on campus is kosher. BU has great food. There's also a food court with chains such as Burger King, Starbucks, D'Angelo, and local sub shop. BU competes in Division I sports. Good teams include men's ice hockey and basketball and women's softball, soccer, field hockey, rowing, and track and field. Most of the ice hockey sports events include competitions with rival teams like Harvard, Northeastern, and Boston College. Other than hockey, the most popular sport will be broomball. BU offers a competitive academics and good social life as well. I would like to give it 4 stars out of 5 on the quality of life at BU. Now let's look at the financial fit. BU falls in an expensive school category. You can expect anything about $50,000 to about $60,000 in annual tuition expenses. The housing is about $18,000 to $20,000. As far as financial aid is concerned, BU offers a lot of scholarships for American citizens and residents. BU offers merit scholarships averaging about $20,000 each year. There are also 324 athletic scholarships in 19 sports, and also offers need-based financial aid through FAFSA and CSS. BU is said to meet 100% of the demonstrated need if you are a citizen or a resident. BU also offers 2 main scholarships for international students, undergraduates especially. These are called Trustee Scholarships and Presidential Scholarship. While Trustee Scholarship is fully funded scholarship, Presidential Scholarship is worth $25,000 per annum, and the application deadline are December 1st for these scholarships. There are a lot of scholarships available at the postgraduate level as well for international students. So overall, I would like to give it 3 stars out of 5 on financial fit. After exploring the fit, let's move on to the most curious section on how to literally double or triple your chances of getting admission to Boston University with my special admission tips and strategies. The ideas I'm going to share now comes from my decade-long experience working with students for career and college admission. BU has a lot of spaces available for new recruits, but is still considered one of the highly selective colleges given its limited seats for out-of-state and international population. The acceptance rate last year was about 20% overall, more selective than in the past and comparable to NYU and George Washington. The graduation rate is about 87%, which is really very good for large schools like Boston's College. Boston talks about its DNA, which is an inherent desire in each of their students, faculties, and staff to vigorously and dauntlessly pursue knowledge and embrace the unlimited possibilities that come with it. If you too have an inherent desire to pursue knowledge, BU is a great fit for you. Make sure to talk about your desire to pursue knowledge and how to use this knowledge for greater good. Boston relies on thoughtful and comprehensive review of your application that takes into account your academic achievements and activities inside and outside of classroom within the context of your academic environment, life experiences and background. Standardized tests, LORs and essays also plays important role in your applications as well. BU requires around 3.7 GPA out of 4, or that's about 38 in Ivy board and about 85 to 90% in percentage format for undergraduate admission. For postgraduate, the GPA is above 7 and above, preferably closer to 7.5 out of 10 will be excellent. For standardized test scores, BU looks for about 1400 plus on SAT or 32 in ACT. For GRE, it's about 320 and GMAT is about 680 plus. BU aims to bring together a diverse student body that is highly motivated, intellectually curious, and contributes to the BU community. And yes, diversity might be an overused word these days when it comes to college applications, but for Boston, it holds absolutely true. Talk about your diversity in your applications. Tell BU how you can add to the diverse student cohort at BU. Given a wide variety of programs, the schools in BU are very distinct and procedure to enroll new students varies from college to college. Make sure you read the requirements carefully before starting to put down an application. Super important. One more thing. For undergraduate admission, the financial documentation is part of applications and is required with BU application during initial application submission. Most universities require financial documents after the admission, but for BU, you need to submit your financial documents along with applications so far. This gives them a clear picture of students' finances as well as giving them enough data to distribute the scholarships accordingly. As far as postgraduates and PhDs are concerned, applications are accepted individually department-wise. Most of the courses have fall start only with very few postgraduate summer and spring options available. Deadlines for PG is about September to about March. The school is a great place with lots of academic and social opportunities, but it's not for the normal student. You have to be proactive about finding out what's going on around campus so that you can find your interest. In the end, to conclude, if you're looking for a great place with lots of academic and social opportunities, the BU is for you. P.S. BU is not for timid students. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to support my work by liking and sharing this video, and also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. But if you want to get admission to Boston University or any other university, top universities, I would highly recommend you to check out this course on college admission. I have created this course with 11 years of my expertise and helped thousands of students to get admission to top universities like Harvard, MIT, Stanford, Princeton, and other top colleges across the world. This course packs the most advanced college admission strategies for university shortlisting, profile building, essay writing, college interviews, and everything else that will make sure you get into the school of your choice. It's a sure ticket for your dream college admission. Well, thank you once again for watching this video, and I'll be back with another amazing video. Till then, this is Shirish signing off. Take care. Bye-bye. Good one.